sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
अरे वो शॉट नहीं चाहिए निकिता मागे ना बाबा
Evening, Malaika.
Hi, good evening.
We have been seeing the pictures of the birthday celebrations of your son. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा सबको देख के, वेरी क्यूट ऐसा लोगों ने कहा।
बच्चा है तो क्यूट ही रहेगा ना।
नहीं नहीं, बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन कह रहा हूँ मैं। हाउ वाज द सेलिब्रेशंस, कुछ बताएं। ओके, आज की शाम के बारे में बताना चाहेंगे। लाइक what are you expecting? Mr. Shah Rukh Khan is hosting and probably he's the only man in the women's side.
Categories. Well, I've actually judged the categories, so मुझे सारे जितने भी nominees हैं मुझे पता है, so I'm aware of that and I'm very excited. And जैसे आपने कहा कि शाहरुख खान, I'm always a Shahrukh fan.
Malaika, अरे
एक नंबर
नहीं ये पहिला सर इकडे मैम ये लुक क्या करीना जी
Mr. Shah Rukh Khan has been the only actor, the male actor who has been part of the brand which is associated with women and ads which have been made on film.
Well, I think girls, women, aunties, they all love Shah Rukh. So I think he's the perfect brand ambassador for Lux. और मैंने भी एक ऐड किया था एक बाथटब में, जब शाह रुख बाथटब में थे and he were all around him. So I think he's the perfect brand ambassador. नहीं, आप किसी को पूछने नहीं देते हो।
करीना जी क्योंकि रोज
मेरे पास सिर्फ 2000 के नोट है, 500 और 1000 नहीं है। I think it's a great step.
रिचुअल चल रहा है फ्लाइंग किस
वन मोर मैम यार लुक क्या
and you have been an important part of Lux.
Extremely honored to be a part of this brand, and it's a lovely experience working with all those beautiful ladies, and of course with Shah Rukh.
मैम लेफ्ट प्रोफाइल में यहाँ पे मैम लेफ्ट अरे
स्लो मोशन
बैंक पेट्रोल पंप
राइट में लेफ्ट में
पैसे को लेकर प्रॉब्लम हो रही है
सर मैं शर्ट पहन के आने वाला था और टी शर्ट से काम चल रहा है।
कुछ कहना चाहेंगे गोल्ड स्टेट के लिए भारतीय गवर्नमेंट ने जो लिया है
जी अगर करप्शन हटाना है तो और जब प्रोडक्शन इतना ज़्यादा हो तो शायद थोड़ा हार्ड स्टेप लेना ज़रूरी होता है. I think it's still early to comment on how it will go because there are certain practicalities attached to the change in currency and the notes that have been changed. So it's going to be difficult. Everybody is finding it difficult. I'm sure we will also find it difficult. But if it leads to less corruption, if it leads to less black money, if it leads to less fake money, which is also a very big issue that we've been facing, then I think it's a bold step and I think it's in the right direction.
Shahid, are you in a position to tell us about your next film?
I will be starting shooting for Padmavati in a couple of weeks. That's what I will do next. And Rangoon is what I have already finished and will be out for that.
पद्मावती का कैसा माहौल लग रहा है आपको? हाउ इज द फील एंड
सर मैं शुरू किया नहीं है तो जब शुरू करूँगा तो फील मिलेगा बट इट्स एन अमेजिंग ऑनर टू वर्क विद मिस्टर बंसाली. I loved his last film and I've loved many of his films and I think he's a fantastic filmmaker. And I'm very excited about the role that he has offered. It's the first time me and Deepika will be working together, which is great. It's the first time me and Ranveer will be working together, which is great. It's a really big film and it's a really challenging film to do as an actor. That's what excites me the most. After working with Vishal Bhardwaj, to be working with Sanjay Bhansali is, you know, it's an amazing place to be. I feel very fortunate as an actor.
No, scene लो.
जब माधुरी मैम हो तो रोजेस को कौन देखता है?
Thank you. Madhuri, please tell us something about your association with Lux और आज की शाम के बारे में अगर आप बताना चाहें. You have been part of.
Yes, I've been part of Lux Films. And I think it's a wonderful thing because they are recognizing all the female characters in movies, heroines, all the actors who have contributed so much towards the industry. And all of them are women. They're going to be awarded, they're going to be felicitated, which is a wonderful thing.
Can I ask you about the वो currency जो चीज़ें हुई हैं इन दिनों में? Do you think this is a good step in the long run?
Well, you know, I think कुछ सोच के ये बात की गई है और I hope it is for the good. अच्छा है और I think people are following it. इससे थोड़ी तकलीफ हो रही है आम जनता को, लेकिन अगर ये तकलीफ कुछ अच्छा ला सकती है आगे, तो of course it's
Thank you so much. Can I have the picture with?
Oh, yes, of course.
ऐड देख रहे हैं जहाँ पे आप हैं, दीपिका हैं, माधुरी वगैरह हैं, एंड शाहरुख खान है. अगर आप कुछ बताएं उनके बारे में.
I think it's great. Shahrukh did that once, if you remember.
जी,
With,
bathtub.
I think he was in a bathtub or something. So this time, of course, he's with us and he's serenading us, and he's having a great time. And he's absolutely charming, and he's very good to all of us, and he inspires us. So we had a lovely time during the shoot.
और मैम फैमिली में नया मेंबर आने वाला है उसके ऊपर कुछ और मुझे लगता है कि वो
क्या कह
करना
सकते
चाहिए
हैं?
आपको.
I'm absolutely thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled. It will be a lovely occasion.
Thank you so much. We had a very nice conversation with you, but we have been following मतलब एक ritual सा कि एक flying kiss देके जा रहा है यहाँ पे, तो आप भी like.
नहीं, I'm a very Indian. I don't do all these flying kiss, and at my age, I most certainly won't. I'll just say bye.
मैम देख लीजिए अगर.
You mean like Donald Trump, like a
No, ऐसा princess.
हाँ जी यार.
Yes, straight please. Center please.
दीपिका जी यश.
बस मैडम आपका लेफ्ट में देखो. मैडम सामने देखिए. दीपिका जी सेंटर. दीपिका जी ये सेंटर प्लीज. ऑन द लेफ्ट.
सेंटर
पूरा
You're tired.
tired.
Happy evening to you. No. You look towering, you look strong, you look powerful.
Thank you.
Now you are part of the international red carpets, now walking the red carpet here, MTV, and now here. Do you find any difference or like?
It's exactly the same. It's exactly the same. It's always fun to dress up and to get ready and then to interact with the media and interact with your fans who are on the red carpet. It's always fun.
मिस्टर शाहरुख खान हैं पार्ट इसके लग्स के जो मेरे ख्याल ज़्यादा मेल स्टार्स कभी हुए नहीं है. मिस्टर शाहरुख खान इज द ओनली वन हु इज पार्ट ऑफ द लग्स. हाउ यू सी इट लाइक? Is it a
I
chance?
don't know if I can comment on that because I don't know in what capacity he's associated with the brand, so I can't comment.
Is it there like?
Ambassador and who's presenting the awards.
I wouldn't know that,
Done
but
that famous ad, the
he is definitely hosting the evening along with Karan and a lot of amazing performances. But that's all I know.
दीपिका 2 महीने से 500,000 की नोट बंद किया, क्या वो बहुत का सही डिसीजन है आपको क्या लगता है?
Absolutely, I think it was high time, and I won't comment too much on it, but I think it was an exceptional move by the government and by the minister, and I would like to congratulate them.
Deepika,
One
before you
last
leave,
question about your next film. We've heard that you are having India premiere for Triple X. So will we see Vin and the other cast? They will come to India.
Hopefully. I've spoken to them a lot about India. They all know a lot about India, and obviously, I want to most importantly the amazing experience that I had while filming this movie. I want to share that experience with everyone, and yeah, so I will, hopefully, all of them will be here.
one last. Om Shantyam will be made in Japanese now, as like.
It's going to be a Japanese play, if I'm not mistaken. It's not going to be. I mean, I'm sure they've already translated the movie, or maybe it's already been made in Japanese. I'm not sure. But Farah called me the other day, and she said they're making it a play, and they all loved Shanti Priya, and the premiere of that is going to be in July next year, and most probably Farah and I will be going together.
Thank you so much. Have a pleasant evening. We are following a sort of lineage, like of a flying kiss. If you feel comfortable for the cameras.
For you. Thank you.
बस मैडम जी बस. अरे एक मिनट साथ में एक पिक्चर. अरे भाई तेरा पीछे. अरे चेतन पीछे आना यार, क्या कर रहे तू इतना आगे? भाई तेरा पीछे आ जा. एक्सक्यूज मी मैडम आपके लेफ्ट में. मैडम चेतन बाबा तू थोड़ा पीछे.
तुम लोग कभी satisfied नहीं होगे. Hi, thank you, and to you too. Thank you. Obviously मैं बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि जितना प्यार मुझे इस साल मिला है with Sultan and Edil, I mean I really feel very very grateful. तो ये दौर चल रहा है और मैं इसको enjoy कर रही हूँ, and I'm very grateful कि मुझे ये मौके मिल रहे हैं to show different facets of me as an actor.
We are so happy to see you.
उनको तो मैं मिलती रहती हूँ एयरपोर्ट्स में फॉर एयरपोर्ट लुक्स. जी आप ही सवाल पूछे, और कोई नहीं पूछे.
हेलो हाय हाउ आर यू. हेलो हाय हाउ आर यू. ओके बाय टाटा थैंक यू. नहीं मजाक करो यार, आप उनके साथ आप ही के लिए आया हूँ.
जैसे मैंने बोला ये साल मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल रहा है. कितना चिल्ला रहे हैं लोग, क्या करूँ. तो बहुत स्पेशल रहा है बिकॉज सुल्तान और एदिल है मुश्किल दोनों फिल्में रिलीज़ हुई हैं मेरी और नॉट जस्ट दैट दोनों पिक्चरें सक्सेसफुल हुई हैं और इतनी ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल हुई हैं, बट मेरे कैरेक्टर और मेरी परफॉर्मेंस को बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों ने पसंद किया है. तो ऑब्वियसली हर एक्टर के लिए वो सबसे बड़ी बात होती है. तो इट्स गोइंग वेरी वेल, बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है मेरा साथ. So I'm performing. So this will be my first performance of the year. So I'm quite excited.
लाइव परफॉर्मेंसेस करना बहुत मुश्किल लगता है बिकॉज यू वेरी स्कैर्ड कि नर्वसनेस होती है परफॉर्म करने से पहले, बट जब यू नो आप स्टेज पे होते हो तो बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग भी होती है. सो या आई एम हैप्पी, आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द परफॉर्मेंस एंड आई होप एवरीथिंग गोज वेल.
Mr. Shah Rukh Khan is also he's co-star in your next film also and part of the ceremony also. Performing with him.
No, it's a solo performance. Okay, thank you guys.
रिंग के बारे में भी अगर आपको
अभी बहुत टाइम है उसके लिए, तो बाद में बात करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक
यू. जैकलिन
जी 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 मैं नहीं बना रहा हूँ, वो आप जानते हैं मेरे दोस्त अली अब्बास जफ़र बना रहे हैं. लेकिन हाँ वो एकता टाइगर का पार्ट 2 सीक्वल बना रहे हैं. टाइगर जिंदा है, विल बी अ बिग फिल्म. कटरीना कैफ एंड सलमान खान विल बी कमिंग टुगेदर.
One second, please.
Ma'am, here look here on the left.
Straight here. Center. Ma'am, center.
Ma'am, here. Center please. Ma'am, here. Left में भी turn हो जाएगा. Ma'am, here left side. Ma'am, left side. Katrina, center. Katrina ma'am in the center please. Katrina ma'am in the center.
Very happy evening to you, Katrina.
Good evening.
Look refreshing.
Thank you very much.
There was a performance inside of yours. Could you
Yes.
just tell us about the evening tonight?
Well, as you know, it's the Lux Awards, which is all about celebrating womanhood, and Shamak Dawar did the act, so we had a lot of fun. We did Kala Chashma, and we did it Shamak Dawar style. But it really is a wonderful evening, and I think it's a great thing that Lux is doing to kind of specifically pick out the memorable characters that women have done this year and award people for it. It was wonderfully hosted by Shah Rukh Khan.
It has been a legacy, like starting from Mrs. Sharmila Tagore, who was the first brand ambassador, and going on. How do you see it? Like, who has been the most impactful women as far as cinema goes?
I think everyone has in their own unique way, and everyone, all the women you mentioned who have been associated with Lux, have always been very unique in their own way, and have always stood for something very particular and beautiful, which is why I think Lux has always chosen these women. And it was a wonderful night, and I think everyone performed really well, and everyone had a lot of fun.
As you told us, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan was also part of.
Yes.
Remember that he had done an ad also. He's the only male.
Yes, we did an ad together for Lux.
Any remembrance of that, like probably bathtub or something?
I guess, I don't know, I think it's a very unique concept. I think it's a hard concept to pull off, which I think only Shah Rukh can do. Because I think he's got that flair, and he's just very comfortable with women. So I think it was a really fun ad.
And we would like to end this, but one question more. Like we are all asking, like curious to know about the social, economic turbulence which has happened, ups and downs in the last 2 days. Like, do you think it's a good step, or it has repercussions, or it is affecting the low people more? How is
I think tonight is about Lux, and as you said, I think you chose a wonderful topic to speak on, which was women who are victims of the attacks. So I think we'll leave it to that tonight, so I don't want to take away any of the attention from that. Thank you all for coming. Sorry about the wait.
Can I request for a ritual which you are following for a flying kiss for the cameras? Every ladies who has come over here, they have given a.
Of course you can.
Yeah.
Is there a way to do this, or is it anyway?
Anyway, like we count on 3.
Okay. One, you count then, right?
Yes. You have to do a big smile, okay?
Big smile.
Yeah. On the counts of 3, we start 1, 2, and 3. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Bye. Thank you.
अरे रुको यार तुम काम के टाइम इधर मलाओ मत कुछ अंदर इधर सर